it's a Sunday and it's raining, and especially in the winters. Now what's better than a beautiful cup of chai with a hot piping Vada Pav. Now come, let's see how this beautiful dish is made. I'm going to try and make it in the authentic Mumbai style, and I'm going to try and keep it as simple as possible. So the first step is that we're going to prepare the batter. So what I've done is I've taken 3 cups of besan. To this I am adding Ajwain or carom seeds. This is 1 teaspoon of Ajwain. I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I will add salt to taste. We will not add any red chillies to this because when you will fry your vadas, that chilli burns and you don't get that beautiful yellow color. You'll actually end up getting a dirty brown color. Now to this we'll slowly start adding the water and we'll keep mixing. We are aiming for a not too thick, not too thin kind of a consistency, and we start mixing. We mix and we add a little bit more water. Don't add all the water in one go, otherwise your batter will become too thick or too thin. So this is the kind of consistency we are looking for. It's neither too thick nor too thin. We just incorporate some air into it and we will leave it aside for 30 minutes. So what that is going to do is we'll get a beautiful crisp outer layer of our vadas. So for the next step, first what we'll do, we'll make a chutney of ginger, garlic, green chilies. So I have taken about 10 small cloves of garlic. Taken 3 to 4 inch of piece of ginger. I've taken about 4 green chilies which are coarsely chopped. Taking this in mortar pestle, just start brushing it all together till we get a paste. So green chili garlic chutney is almost ready. We just add some little bit of salt to taste and we mix it again. So this is the kind of consistency that we get. We just put all this in the katori and we move to the next step. So for the next step we make our hari chutney, a green chutney. What we've done is in a grinder I've taken about 1/4 inch of ginger and a handful of coriander leaves. We chop them, wash them nicely. Of course, we'll add some salt to taste. And give it a mix. So our chutney is ready. We move to the next step. So for the next step, in a frying pan, I've taken some oil. To this, I've added a few curry leaves, about 8 to 10 of them. I will add 1 teaspoon of rye or mustard and 1 teaspoon of jeera. And we just wait for all this to splutter and we move. Then we'll add the green chili and garlic paste that we had made. Just we add some haldi and we add a little bit of red chili powder. Mix it. And I've taken about 8 to 10 potatoes which I've boiled and I've mashed. And I'll add all these mashed potatoes to this. I'll add some salt. And we mix it all. So So finally, this is how our potatoes are going to look. And now we'll just let them rest for half an hour so that they cool down. And then we can make the round vadas and fry them. At the same time, in a kadai, I have taken some oil. We'll move to the next step. Let the oil heat first. Our oil is hot. What I want you to do is take the garlic, cloves, and we've not taken the chilli off. Make multiple holes in it so that it doesn't burst. If it bursts, the oil is going to come on your face. Okay. And we just fry all these. So that's about 10 cloves of garlic that we fry. And we'll just take it out. We're going to use this for that beautiful red chutney that you see in the market. And after this we'll fry the red green chilies that you get with the Vada Pavs. And then we'll start frying the vadas. What I've done is I've taken green chilies and I've opened them on one side, okay? Again, you have to do this so that they don't burst and you don't get oil on your face. And they'll still splutter, so just be careful when you do this. And just put all the chilies in the oil. We've got the green chilies fried into this. We'll add salt. And we just put it aside. We'll be using this at the time of serving. Now, we continue making that red chutney of Vada Pav. What we do is, we take a spoon of the batter, we take a jar and through this way, so that we get these bundi kind of things, okay? And we take them all out. We'll be using all this for the red chutney. This is the kind of bundi we get, nice, crisp, and we are going to be using this for the red chutney now. So the red chutney, what we do is, in a grinder, I'm adding some bread. This bread is because we will be adding that bundi, and that bundi is fried, it's going to leave off some oil. You'll get a soggy chutney otherwise. To this we add all that bundi that we just made. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy with dropping stuff. And if you remember those garlics that we had fried, we add all that garlic in it. Into this, we add 1 and 2 spoons of ghee powder. The ghee powder is going to give it that beautiful red color. A lot of people make this with coconut also. You can do it that way. If you want the coconut recipe, please let me know in the comments. And we will just grind this. Give it a go. So this is what we get. We add some salt to taste. You can add some red chilli powder to make it slightly more hot. Totally depends upon you. Give this one more mix. Now this is going to be slightly wet because of the oil. So what you do is we'll take it on a tawa and we'll roast it for a few minutes. Sorry, I forgot to put it on. So we've taken a chutney on a non-stick tawa and we just roast it till it dries out. And as we roast it, the red colors will start to darken a bit more. So now for the vadas, we'll take a ball of the potato, we'll make it round, okay, approximately this size. We put it in the dough. Get the dough nicely on it. The excess and just slide it in for frying, and we repeat it and we'll get these lovely vadas. Okay, And then let's gonna plate once we get the vadas ready. So all our ingredients are ready. We've got our chutneys ready. Beautiful crisp. We've got our vadas ready, and we come to the plating. So first, the pav. We take the pav and we divide it right in the center. Put some green chutney. Spread it nicely over the base. And this, you put some lovely red chutney. Put that beautiful crisp pav. Also red chutney on top. Like that, we put these beautiful crisp churras, and Vada Pav is ready. So that's it. Our Vada Pav is served. It's got that lovely red chutney, the crisps, the green chilli, and oh god, it just tastes amazing. Try it out. It's a very simple recipe and it's going to get you the authentic flavors. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and comment. We'll see you soon with a brand new video.